Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the exciting world of coding. Whether you are in a complete beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, we have got you covered. And in this video we will explore the top 10 beginner friendly platforms to kickstart your coding journey. So let's get coding. Number 10. Codecademy. Our top pick for interactive coding tutorials is Codecademy. Covering HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python and more, Codecademy stands out for its hands-on learning approach. With a free plan offering interactive lessons and daily practice, it's ideal for beginners. Plus, the Pro plan provides access to advanced course and certifications for those looking to take their skills to the next level. Number 9. Khan Academy. For outstanding beginner-friendly coding skills and resources, Khan Academy is a non-profit gem. With tutorials covering computer science topics and coding languages like HTML, CSS, Java, Python and more, Khan Academy is perfect for those who want a clear and structured learning path. Dive into coding with exercises and lectures designed for beginners. Number 8. Coursera. Coursera stands out as a prominent platform with over 100 coding courses. From Python to JavaScript, each course offers lectures, quizzes and tests at your own pace. While some courses come with a price tag, Coursera provides a 7-day free trial for you to make an informed decision. It's perfect for those looking for a structured and comprehensive learning experience. Number 7. Udemy. Udemy opens the door to a world of courses from instructors worldwide. With over 130,000 courses for all skill levels, Udemy focuses on real-world projects. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced professional, Udemy has something for everyone. Just start with top-rated courses for the best learning experience. Number 6. Code.org. If you are passionate about teaching children how to code, Code.org is the place to be. Founded in 2013, this platform offers courses covering fundamental programming skills, making learning enjoyable through fun activities and games for introducing coding concepts to kids of all ages. Number 5. Free Code Camp. For a non-profit approach to coding education, we have Free Code Camp, dedicated to teaching computer science to all ages. Free Code Camp's project-based learning approach sets it apart. With a curriculum covering everything from HTML to Python, it's a well-known platform with thousands of successful graduates working for top tech companies. Number 4. The Odin Project. If you are diving into HTML, JavaScript, CSS and PHP, consider this community-driven platform gathers free web resources in one place. The Odin project is perfect for those who love collaborative learning and sharing their progress. Number 3. EDX. Ready for a variety of courses tutored by the best? Look no further than EDX, offering over 190 courses in data science, programming language, AI and more. EDX is your go-to for diverse learning. While certificates come with a cost, it's an excellent way to explore programming languages like C++ and Python without the commitment of degree program. Number 2. Solo Learn. For those who prefer self-paced learning, check out Solo Learn. This resource covers HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP and more, with tutorials in multiple languages including English, Spanish, French, German and Brazilian. Solo Learn is a great solo coding companion. And number 1. Scrimba. First up on our list is Scrimba. This interactive coding platform teaches HTML, CSS, JavaScript and more. The best part, you can watch courses from top instructors and code along in your browser. No software installation needed. Plus, there are offline options for on-the-go learning. Scrimba's clear instructions and live classes make it perfect for coding on your terms. There There you have it, aspiring coders, the top 10 beginner-friendly platforms to start your coding journey. Whether you are learning solo or seeking a community-driven experience, these platforms offer a variety of resources to suit your style. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Happy coding, and until next time, stay curious and keep coding.